Alin doon? Sa dulo?
Why do I'm attracted to you all the more? Why do I need you so?
Hey, hey, baby, baby, try to find. Hey,
A little time, I'll make you mine. I'll be beside you, waiting for you. Why do you build me up? Baby, just to let me down and mess me around and be merciful. You never grow better when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you.
I need you.
You're all that I have from the start. So build me up while they clap, don't break my heart. I need you more than anyone, darling. You're all that I had from the start. So build me up,
Buttercup, don't break my heart. So build me up, Buttercup, don't break my heart.
You're all that I have from the start. So build me up, Buttercup, don't break my heart. Sugat.
Wow, 97. Fly me to the moon. Wow. Si Kuya, si Kuya.
Iba naman to, ibang tono ah. Fly me to the moon.
Yes, kaya.
And let me play among the stars.
Marunong ka rin ng pala eh.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words,
Pinatago ka pala.
hold my hand.
Yes. Sige pa.
In other words,
Ah! Sumali na dito.
come and let me sing forevermore.
Oo.
You are all I worship.
Hindi tayo, wow.
In other words, please be true.
Naka-video,
In
tita.
other words, I love you. Yung bata.
Pinatago ka pala eh.
Tatago ko na lang natin.
Ngayon, nilalabas niya, tita.
Angkop na angkop na.
Ngayon, nilalabas niya na. Kanina nakatago. Ngayon, nakalabas na.
Alam mo may tantang angkop talaga sa morning, no? Size, ano ko, Diyos ko, saas. Kasi nga dami lang masyado.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I know, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Tama ba ito, no?
Oo.
Kaya magtama.
Mga halos.
Tama nga, kabuhan na.
Wow, 95. Tingnan naman, 95.
Tantang yun. Ano, 95.
Sa next, ano, carpenter yan, for all we know.
Ah, okay.
Ito.
Hindi tayo.
Kita. Wow. Hindi ka naman talagang kinakanta ng mga Mas Monroe.
Tama-tama sa ito rin.
Mga pang makalida.
Mas maganda pa kayo mga kasalanan.
Love, look at the two of us. Stranger in many ways. We've got a life to share, so much to say, and as we go from day day to day.
Ano namin yan eh?
I'm really close to me.